Hello, students. Welcome to the science class. Uh, mm, we are doing the chapter Teeth Talk, in which we had learned the parts of teeth, types of teeth, as well as the methods by which we can take care of the teeth. Now, in today's class, we will learn how to brush our teeth. Okay, this is also very important because you take the brush, you take the paste, and even then you start doing the brushing or you start brushing the teeth. But if it is being done in a faulty manner, obviously it will not be sufficient for filling up the purpose. Okay, so we have to know this method very well. Okay, how to brush your teeth. Okay, so this is the very important thing. As I have told you, we all have to learn about it. Okay, the best way to brush your teeth is to do little circle. Go around and around until you have covered every surface of your mouth. Okay, that means you take the brush, you make it round and round until you have covered, that is, every part of your mouth is touched by the toothbrush. This is a very useful method. Like, you are taking the brush and you are brushing the teeth, but the purpose is not served. Obviously we should not do in this manner. Okay, so we should do in this manner. That means we should take the brush and we should go round and round until every portion of the mouth is covered. Okay, so if my basic intention is that the washing has to be done in every corner. Okay, that has to be kept very good care. Okay, so this, while doing or while brushing the teeth, all of you please take care of this phenomenon. Brush up and down rather than side to side. This removes the food and plaques that get stuck in between your teeth. You take the brush, hold the brush, and put ups and downs. Okay, you have to brush in ups and downs method. Otherwise, if you brush sidewise, then the plaques or the food particle will be difficult to be removed from the mouth. Instead, if you do it in a proper way, by putting the brush ups and downs, it will be easier for you people to complete the brushing method and in a efficient way, so that the basic purpose of brushing, that is to remove the food particle and the plaques in between the teeth, is done, or is the purpose is served. Okay, so brushing is always done with ups and downs method, that is with ups and downs rather than sideways, to be careful, to be expert in cleaning the mouth. If you take care of your teeth, they will be with you forever. Obviously, forever means up to the time where it used to be. After that, falling of teeth is a natural phenomenon at old age. But before that, the teeth will be remaining in an healthy manner. That can only be possible if you measure or if you maintain the rules positively. Then only your teeth will be there with your mouth, and obviously your food will be digested. You will have the normal healthy life. So in order to get the normal healthy body, your digestion has to be completed. Your digestion, during the digestion, the food particle has to be chewed and broken apart very sincerely and very efficiently. For this reason, we need the proper tooth to be present in the mouth, and for that reason again we are coming back to the same thing, that is, we have to take the proper care of our teeth. This is very important. If we love teeth, if we care teeth, teeth will care. us. This is very obvious. Okay, so by this today's class, we had completed all the things in the chapter. In the next class, we will discuss about some keywords which we had found from this chapter. Till then, all of you stay safe, take care, thank you.